Okay, we continue again with the equity and liabilities. Okay, so here now we have finished this part. Now we are looking at this part. Okay, so we start with equity. So in this case will be ordinary shares. Ordinary shares. Only take the parent. And then 10% preference shares. Preference shares also take the parent only. Remember, for equity you take the parent. So for return, because others are eliminated. Okay, and included either in goodwill and or in return profit. Okay, so next, group retain earnings. Group retain earnings. Okay, so there is a working for this. Working for. Okay, so we'll need to do some working. Okay. Okay, so we put the working here. So there is enough space to make okay, working for group retain earnings. Okay. Okay, so group return earnings is actually, you must take the whole of H and part of S and part of R. Okay, so because S is a subsidiary, R is your associate company. So and there will be adjustment because of the unrealized profit, because of the fair value depreciation for fair value adjustment, and also because of there are impairment loss of R. Okay, so how we do his actually we divide into, the way I calculate it is actually the same with what Dr. Nurhayati taught you last semester, but in a more simplified way. Okay, so we take H. So there is a column for H, there's a column for S, and there's a column for R in million. So in million. Okay, so we start with always start with retained earnings per question. Earnings per question. So you look at the question, just take the figure. In this case, this is the figure: 68, 70 and 60. 68, 70 and also 60. Okay, and that, of course, there will be an adjustment. Okay, there will be adjustment in relation to unrealized profit. Okay, unrealized profit of from the transaction with subsidiary. Okay, this is downstream actually. Downstream. Unrealized profit in relation to transaction with R, also downstream. Okay. So if you notice, we actually have calculate here unrealized profit of inventory